In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Drive on your computer, a useful tool that provides easy access to your files from any device. Whether you're using it for work, school, or personal projects, getting the desktop version installed is a great step towards streamlining your productivity. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Drive in your web browser. Open up your preferred search engine and type in Google Drive, or simply enter drivegoogle.com in the URL bar to go directly. Once there, you're greeted with the familiar Google Drive interface, featuring folders and files that you might have previously stored in your cloud account. Next, we're looking for a little option to install Google Drive on your desktop. This option is located at the top right, adjacent to the search bar, near where you would usually find options to bookmark the page. Click on Install Google Drive, and you'll notice a pop-up window appearing in the center of your screen, confirming your decision to proceed with the installation. In this pop-up, you're going to see a straightforward button labeled Install. Go ahead and click on that. What this does is start the process of downloading the necessary software onto your computer, preparing your system to have a desktop version of Google Drive readily accessible. Now, after a brief moment, you'll encounter another small pop-up at the bottom left corner of your screen. This one is asking whether you'd like to pin Google Drive to your taskbar. This is a handy option if you want easy, one-click access without having to search through your start menu or desktop icons every time you want to open Google Drive. If that sounds like something that would be convenient for you, click Yes. This will pin the Google Drive icon to your computer's taskbar. This can be especially helpful for those who frequently use Google Drive as part of their daily workflow. With a quick glance, you can keep an eye on your Drive activity or access your files without the extra clicks. And with that, you're done. You've successfully installed Google Drive on your computer and pinned it to your taskbar for easy access. From here, you can open the application directly from your taskbar and sync files between your device and your Google Drive effortlessly. Remember that with Google Drive on your desktop, you can enjoy the benefits of cloud storage integrated seamlessly with your computing experience, all while maintaining quick, offline access to your most important files. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.